So in this video we will see about COD. In the previous video we saw about BOD, biological oxygen demand, and COD means chemical oxygen demand. So biological oxygen demand, it gives you the level, or it is the test of the level of organic matter that can be biologically decomposed, whereas COD is a test of the amount of organic matter that can be chemically oxidized in a water body, which may be a lake or pond. Okay, so it will have organic matters present in it as a waste material. So these waste materials can be oxidized or decomposed by bacteria, okay, and by chemicals. Some of the waste will be better decomposed by bacteria, and some of the waste will be better oxidized or destroyed by chemicals. So the amount of oxygen that is required by the bacteria to decompose the organic matter is said to be BOD, and amount of oxygen required by chemicals to decompose the organic matter. Okay, so that is said to be the chemical oxygen demand. COD usually will be more than BOD. So this is because more organic compounds can be chemically oxidized than biologically oxidized. COD is usually measured by using strong oxidizing oxidant, okay, like potassium permanganate, potassium dichromate, potassium iodate, okay, potassium permanganate KMnO4, potassium dichromate K2Cr2O7, and then potassium iodate. Alright, so these are the strong oxidants that are used to oxidize the organic wastes in order to measure the COD value. To measure COD, known amount of sample is taken. Sample means wastewater. Okay, wastewater is taken. To this, excess of oxidant is added. All right, and kept. The reaction is allowed to take place for some time, and then the remaining wastes, organic wastes after treatment is measured. So before treatment, how much of waste is present in it is also measured actually, and after that oxidant is added. After treatment, after oxidation, what is the amount of organic waste that is remaining is also calculated. Remaining waste is calculated, that is amount of the waste that is remaining after treatment is calculated by measuring the remaining oxidant. Okay, actually excess oxidant is added, right? So after treatment, how much of oxidant is remaining? So by calculating the remaining oxidant, the organic wastes that are not treated by the oxidant can also be measured. Usually the remaining oxidant is calculated or measured by titration method using suitable indicators. COD thus calculated is expressed in terms of ppm or milligrams per liter. just like BOD. For COD, it takes only 2 to 3 hours to measure COD. But to measure the biological oxygen demand, it takes minimum of 5 days.